Hey, this video is all about how you can make a difference in the world by doing close to nothing. Have you ever seen yourself as a light worker? Maybe a person with a big heart that wants to be of service and to help people in this world? Well, this video is for you. I made a video yesterday, 24 hours ago. It was all over the place. I was just so inspired and I just started recording. I didn't plan it out really well. And I think a lot of people misunderstood me. But that video, let me talk quickly about that video, because it's weird. I'm all over the place. The title is weird. There's no thumbnail. It was just, I have to make this video. And it's the last video before this one, right? And it took off in my world. It's a small channel, but boom, at once it had much more views than I usually get. Maybe the spirit world likes this message. That's why I'm gonna make this one and be a little more clear of what I meant to say. Because I've gotten quite a few comments on the video too, and people, supporting me, and thank you a whole lot for that. My intention with the video, which I now see wasn't very clear, is that you can do this. You can help the world by doing close to nothing, and now I will tell you what it is. You probably haven't seen yesterday's video. It is channeling healing energy, and it's so easy. My friend, the healer Jonas, he says, channeling this energy is as easy as moving your index finger, and he's right. So in this video, I will talk now short about the concept, and then I will tell you exactly, step by step, how to do it. So the question is, would you be willing to be that grounding point? Because that's what we are. We are not creating the healing. All we are is just receiving it, and then looks like it goes through us and then into other people and into the world. Does that healing energy need us? Maybe in some ways, because this is just a theory, but we are on this earth, and so is the people that can benefit from this. So all you are is a signal booster. The signal comes down and maybe it boosts, I don't know. Well, we don't have the answers to this, do we? And it goes into the world. So you can do this when let's say you sit on a bus, right? In my view, it's best to be still. Might work walking, but I get a feeling you need to sit still and be grounded, and probably close your eyes too. But you can sit on a bus, you can sit in a library, you can sit in a cafe. Maybe you should wear sunglasses, otherwise it might look a little bit strange. And you can be that anchoring point on earth that this healing energy needs in many ways, I guess, in order to reach those people. Would you do that? Would you test it? I get burning in my hands straight away. And of course, we get different feelings in our body. So if I'm not saying it is, but it's weird that video took off like that. It's like in the first 24 hours, it's way higher than also the two I told my spirit guides to F off, and the healing video with Jonas. In the first 24 hours, much bigger than those two. And it doesn't make any sense because the title is weird, and yeah, I've broken all the YouTube rules. So if it is true that it's a reason why this video took off, maybe this video is for you. That you see this now might not be a coincidence. Would you try it? to see what happens, being that booster of energy here on earth. You know, if what I'm telling you now, it's not a lie, it's what I believe, but it might be wrong, right? So if I'm wrong, it has no real consequences, right? Okay, you wasted 5 minutes of your life, that's it. But if I'm right, that has big consequences. So that's why I'm inviting you to go with me on this and just check it out, right? So here's how you do it. You sit on a bus, you sit in a library, or you sit by yourself. It might work by walking, and I don't know about that. But let's start with sitting, okay? Or I'm sure you can stand if you're in a queue somewhere. So what I do, I just sit. It's like beginning a meditation. I sit, close my eyes, and I might speak or think the following sentence or something like it. Okay, healing energy, I am available, I'm here, use me if you will. No complicated rituals or anything. Just what is happening is that you are using your free will, and you are saying to the healing energy or whatever this is that, yes, I want this. And then when I do that, I feel burning inside both my hands in a second after I said it. So it looks like it needs your permission, you know? When you give it your permission, I'm available, and I sit with my hands like this in my lap, and it starts burning, and I just sit there. I have no thoughts of who this healing goes to or what it does. I was going to meditate anyway. I might as well speak a sentence in my mind that takes me 4 seconds. That's the effort I put into it, right? Yeah, I think we can do that. Or if you're sitting on the bus, you close your eyes and just think, hey, I'm sitting here. Healing energy, if you want to, go through me and use me, if I can be of service, please do. I'm all up for this. So if you comment whatever you want, of course, but I would love to hear it if you would do it and test it and see if you feel anything and what you think of this concept. So this is not about me healing you, it's us healing in our lives. And we don't know who or what we are healing. We're just being a human who wants to contribute with something positive in this world. That was the intention. And this video was much better than the last one. So now I actually made sense, I hope. So, try it now, yeah? Sit, close eyes, speak or think. Hey, hello healing energy. Speak to it like a friend. I'm here. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. See you around.